Two legendary pizza chains, Domino's and Pizza Hut. One big question, which one really delivers? On the left, the tech-driven, lightning-fast Domino's, and on the right, the classic nostalgic Pizza Hut experience. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here, what we're gonna look at first: price, cause hey, budgets are real. Then menu variety, crust and cheese quality, sauce profile, how many spots you'll find nearby, their tech and ordering experience, believe it or not, beverage options, and finally the whole mood each brand brings. So many categories, but that's pizza for you. Okay, first up, price. Domino. Honestly, it's hard to beat. Their pizzas are just easier on the wallet, especially if you're ordering regularly and love stacking those coupons. Tons of deals, combos, and just all-around lower pricing. But yeah, they do skip out on some of those super fancy specialties Pizza Hut flexes. Now, Pizza Hut, so you're paying premium casual prices here, no doubt. Their specialty pies can get kinda pricey, and while they say you get better value for those, honestly, my wallet feels the difference. Winner here, Domino's takes the price crown. Next, let's talk menu variety. Domino's brings more pasta, that's right, 5 choices versus Pizza Hut's 4, and they have loaded tots on the side, more breads and spicy buffalo mac and cheese. But let's keep it real, their toppings are more traditional, not a ton of wild choices happening. On the flip side, Pizza Hut, dude, they go off. Extra non-cheese toppings, stuffed crust, that's kind of famous, a full-on dessert menu with things like cookie pizza and even wings in all sorts of sauces. You want options not just for pizza but beyond. Pizza Hut's got it. Edge goes to Pizza Hut. Alright, crust and cheese quality time. Domino's stuffed crust, I mean, it's super cheesy, garlic vibes, tons of melty cheese, less of that rubber band stretch. Everyday pizzas, solid. But not a lot of complexity in the cheese, they keep it straightforward. Pizza Hut, though, is all about that pan pizza legend. Crispy edges, a bit of a buttery crunch, aged cheeses, definitely more layered flavors. Cheese browning. Oh, it's there, yet weirdly their stuffed crust just doesn't get as much love these days. Honestly, both bring strong crust and cheese games, so it's kinda a tie. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. Domino's just did their first brand refresh in 13 years, right in 2025. That means a bolder new logo and even new employee gear. They're definitely not afraid of a facelift. Moving over to sauce profile. Domino's likes their sauce a little on the sweeter side, classic tomato, not too wild, I mean it's good but not winning any fancy awards for herbal complexity. Pizza Hut steps it up here, a lot more herbs, tangy kick right up front, and you're not gonna forget the sauce anytime soon. It even borders on overpowering if you're not ready for it. Still, gotta give this one to Pizza Hut. Okay, location availability, can you even get it where you live? Domino's absolutely crushes here. Over 7,000 spots in the US alone, 18,000 if we're counting the world. No matter where you are, Domino's is probably there. Pizza Hut's big, especially in Asia and with some cool regional menu options, but there are just fewer restaurants, especially in the US. So yeah, Domino's is your winner for actually being everywhere. Now let's talk tech, which you might not care about until you're starving at midnight. Domino's is honestly the king here. Their app is insane, remembers your order, works offline, AI-powered, just super smooth. They've been digital first forever. Pizza Hut? They're trying, the app is better these days, and yeah, you can go third-party, but they just move slower. Any hiccups in the system and you'll feel it. Domino's runs away with the tech trophy. You didn't think I'd skip drinks, right? Domino's is Team Coke, so if you need your classic Coca-Cola or Fanta, they've got you. A bunch of sizes too, but no Pepsi here, period. Pizza Hut. Flip the script, it's Pepsi and Mountain Dew land. Hey, if you're a Pepsi family, you know this matters. This one's a toss-up, but Pizza Hut slightly edges out for that variety, especially if Mountain Dew is your thing. Last category, brand vibe. Domino's just feels fast, efficient, everything streamlined for quick orders. The 2025 refresh, pretty sharp honestly. Still, there's not a lot of warm fuzzies, it's more utility, less nostalgia. Pizza Hut, now that's where the feels kick in. The red roofs, family moments, the childhood birthday parties, there's an emotional thing happening here that Domino's just doesn't do. Less techie, more classic. Pizza Hut wins on pure vibe and brand nostalgia. Check out the comparison radar, we've got Domino's leading on price, availability, and tech. But Pizza Hut, all about menu variety, sauce, beverages, and honestly, nostalgia points. Pretty close in the crust and cheese showdown though. So which should you choose? If you want something fast, affordable, tech-savvy, Domino's is the no-brainer. On the other hand, if you want a bigger menu, crave those stuffed crust throwbacks, or just want that cozy, classic Pizza Hut vibe, it's worth splurging. Both totally on their strengths, and hey, you really can't go wrong. If this deep dish comparison helped clear up your pizza debate, you know what to do. Follow for more food chain showdowns. Slices up and see you in the next one.